Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. Guys, you had get a confirmation from attorney Sephora Mosepili. Uguti, those pictures, that photos that Kubaloyi was now introducing from backdoor evidence. Uguti, here we are, guys. Now these are the photos. They didn't know about them. And Durata is just so crazy how he was trashing them. But those photos are there, and you guys are just not focused. You don't know about them, but they're in your bundle. Guys, Ramosipil is just like, those photos have never been there, but it's fine. There's no quarrel. We are fine. We are good, actually. We can proceed. Or should I say, Ubalo, you can proceed. Namanga ke end his backdoor evidence. Inzima into kantanzima noBaloyi because uBaloyi continues to read izinto zakhe that he fabricated benoGininda. uGininda, guys, at the end of the day, he's the same guy who created phone numbers. But I guess that's also easy for him, Created phone numbers, he created a whole lot of things. So this whole report that uBaloyi could read for 2 weeks is amazing, I tell you. He's reading the stuff that they created with Brigadier Gininda and like, why are you changing dates on these photos? And these are not the photos that Ndlovu actually came here to testify on and used. He didn't. Why are you doing this, Baloyi? And do you know what is crazy though about that? Baloyi doesn't answer Mtanzo. Velas, you're actually confused. Today he's on the tip. It's just like, you're actually confused. Mtanzo's like, no, I'm not. I'm not confused. The dates have been changed. Just during COVID, and now it's another days and other dates. It's crazy. This information, guys, is not make sure anymore because sometimes it's just like, bruh, your things are not true. And what's crazy is that Baloyi doesn't want to answer Untanzi when he says to him, I want to know, where did you get this information? Because I didn't have a phone. And I want to know the people who Mokano actually did mention names. I was like, oh, Mokano, no, we tell Lizzie. What were they doing with my phone? Hi, Baloyi, guys. It's Brigadier Gininda's ways,
Information on the USB and the CD, it is the same information. Nothing has changed.
Uyachaza futhi ke ukuthi ke yonke information le khona lapha ku-CD naye USB information efanayo zange ukushintshe ke ngoba uyachaza ukuthi yamasibheka lapho ufakazi baka warrant officer Ndlovu ke nge-11 zika June ngo-2025 page number 26 line number 2 ke uthi ke uyachaza ukuthi uyowakhona ukuthi ke adownload ke konke lokho azange akhone ukudownload cellphone ngoba ke ifone le benophathini. Okwesibili ke akwenza ke uyakhona download memory card nama sim card amabili konke lokho ke ekudlulisela kwenye kwi-CD futhi ke egcina ke ugcineleni ukuthi mangabe inkantolo naye mhlawumbe ufuna lofakazi lo izokwazi ukuthi aphinde futhi abulande ufakazi aze nabo. Uthi ke ingakho ke ayakhona ukuthi eze inkantolo nayo i-USB ke ngoba kufakazi lekabugcinile ngalenkathi inkantolo ke seyifuna lofakazi.
Do you have any comment?
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukusho?
Mina angikhulumi ngenzwa bethu, ngikhuluma nganaso isithombe esiphambi kwenkosi enkantolo.
I'm not talking about any rumors. I'm talking about the picture that is before the court.
Nasi isithombe phambi kwami ngimile ngisemakhaya egcekeni kodwa sesibhale 2020 0924 ngisekhaya mina emzini ngoba bomncane sishintshe obani idate but ifone yami eshutha lesi sithombe lesi.
Now I'm looking at this picture. I'm at home in the village. I'm at home in the villages and the picture, the date there has been changed to 2020 0924. My question is, who changed the date on this picture?
Zikhona ezinyanazi ngaphansi ngapha. Ngizoyitshela nje inkantolo Ntama ngiyifundela kancane kancane lezo thombe neshithi date ayikho inkinga siqhubeka sena.
And it's not the only picture. There are some picture on this document, but as we proceed, I'll give an explanation to the court of these pictures that the date has been altered.
Yes. You talk about rumors. Which rumors are you referring to?
Uthawukhuluma ngabenzwa bethi usho uthini?
Lokho angifundela khona ukuthi le nto ekhuluma ke nenzwa bethi ngoba mina ngikhuluma nganaso isithombe sikhonjwa yimi naso isithombe ukuthi shitwe date.
What you are putting to me before the court, that is something that it's hearsay evidence. I'm talking about this picture that is here on the in court.
uNdlovu akazi uyiphikisa inkulumo yakhe umama uMshololo emayembuza la uzange usuku uphendula ukuthi baba uNdlovu nangu umama uMshololo ekubiza kanje mama uMshololo wambuza ngqola athi Ndlovu isithombe yakhona nokushintsha idate wathi yebo uyashintsha isithombe maqeda lapho ayithulela athi uMshololo le inkulumo bengiyifuna waphuma uNdlovu wayihambela.
And when Ndlovu was testifying before the court, when Mshololo was asking her a question whether is it possible for him to change the dates on the picture, and he confirmed, you did not stand up and question him on that. And then Mshololo finally said, okay, that is all that I wanted, and Ndlovu left the court.
Nasi ngeqiniso phambi kwecourt nasi sishintsha idate nasi.
Here is the picture before the court, and the date has been changed.
We refer to the cross-examination of Advocate Mshololo of Warrant Officer Ndlovu as appears in the proceedings of 12 June 2025, page 11, line 10. This is, as we pointed out, when Advocate Mshololo was cross-examining Warrant Officer Ndlovu, Advocate Mshololo, and we have confirmed the content of this exhibit in line with the information that you had in your USB, which you led this court through the screen that is before the court.
Uyafunda manje ke umthushisa ngithi ngalofakazi ke ngalosuku lokufakazi lana ke uMshololo ke uyena ke ubebuza imibuzo kaSukuma ke uthi ke sikwazile ukuthi siconfirme ke konke ke okulapha ku exhibit B ngokuya ke ngufakazi bonke futhi ke lesukunikezwe bona ovela lapha ku USB yakhona lokhu konke ke ukukhombisa ke kule screen lesesila inkantolo shothi bekune screen besiveziwe ke ngalosuku lo khona la icourt.
So
ngicela ukuphendula lokho ngifundela usisi.
Can I answer what has just been read to me?
yes.
Yeah.
Lesi sithombe lesi ngale nkulumo lesi sithombe asivezwanga ngokuqala lesi okokuqala lapha
Maqana. Firstly, what I want to say is this particular picture that is projected before the court was not projected.
kukhona uNdlovu la asivezwanga lesi sithombe.
When Ndlovu was testifying, this picture was never projected.
Izolo mina ngitshena icourt athi isithombe ngiyaqala ukusibona siveza lapha escreenini.
Yesterday, I did mention to the court that it is my first time seeing this particular picture which is projected on the screen.
Ithombe iveze ubaba uNdlovu la uthe efonini yami zayideletiwe lezi ubaba uRamsiphi namaye ngibuza lapha ecourt engilida ayizivezile ivezwa lo bhuti ebehlela sengikhohla igama lakhe lo ephethe lokuthoba.
Maqana, the pictures that were shown or were projected before the court, Ndlovu actually mentioned to the court that they were deleted from my phones. Uthe besidilithwe from efonini ngicela uphinde futhi okwenye.
Usho nje athi efonini wayithola ideletiwe usho yena uNdlovu.
Ndlovu said he found these pictures deleted on my phone.
Hayi lesi sithombe esiphambi kwecourt sasiveziwe.
Not this picture that is projected before the court.
Yeah, we'll get to the deleted pictures, but the point that we're trying to make here, Mr. Ntanzi, is that Advocate Mshololo says the information that is in the USB has been checked against the CD, and it was found to be in order.
Siyakubona lokhu kwezithombe ke sophinde sifike kuona kwesithombe lesidilithiwe ke uthi manje into ofuneka sikhuluma ngayo ukuthi ke uMshololo ke na uyasho ukuthi ke yonke information lebe lapha ku CD ke iyahlolwa kwatholakala ukuthi ke ingesimo ekuyisona.
Mina nkasenkantolo nazoroshe lesi sithombe ngisho nje ngqo lapha makhosenkantolo ngathi ngiyasiqala ukusibona mina la ecourt ngitshena icourt mina yazi icourt yathi ngayicela egcina athi ngicela ingidibanise nommeli wami angikhombise lezi zithombe zonke ngoba mina le court lezi zithombe ngiyasiqala yathi icourt okay fine asibuye kusasa kuze ngikwazi ukubona lezi zithombe.
My lord, what I'm explaining to the court yesterday, I did mention to the court that this picture that is depicted on the projector. I'm seeing it for the first time, and then I had requested that the court give me time so that I can consult with my attorney so that he can show me more pictures, and the court said okay, the matter will be adjourned to today.
ngoba le court ngize ngayitshela lesi sithombe ngisibona sesishintsha idate lesi sithombe akusiyi date yaso mina ngitshela icourt mina
I told the court that the date on this picture has been changed.
To the police, for instance, or to Brigadier Gininda.
Mhlambe emaphoyiseni ukuthi emaphoyisa naku umuntu ke uyasithinta lo uyasifonela asimazi ukuthi ubani,
Or any member of the investigating team.
noma ke kuyena ubrigadier noma ke umunye nje wabantu amaphoyisa nje phela ba complain ukubona ukuthi ke khona ke umuntu ohlezi bafonela abangamazi ukuthi ubani.
kanti abantu befonelwa njengoshuzi nokudilezi befonela bebuza ukuthi bahlala pha emarikanda bawathatha pha amanamba
So these people that they used to call Shoes and Mukwena, Shoes and Buthelezi, when they were called to ask where they are staying, where did they actually get their numbers from?
yini yenza ukuthi basuke ePitoli bayosesha indlu kaShoes eRustenburg behlala khona uShoes
What made them to leave Pretoria and proceed to Shoes' house to search it?
ngoba ifoni yaShoes bayithola efonini yami ukuze befike emarikanda bokuhlala khona uShoes
Because Shoes and number, they found it in my phone for them to even get to Marikana where Shoes stays.
Ms. Ntazi, the original question was, has anyone ever complained that someone else who's not you is answering your phone?
Mnumzane Ntanzi ke umbuzo ke usamile ukuthi ke ukhona ke mhlambe ke umuntu ke owaza abanesikhalazo ukuthi khona umuntu nje ungasuwena obafonelayo.
bazosiletha kanjani isikhalazo mina ifoni yami ngingayazi nami ngingayazi ukuthi ifoni yami ekubani ngimabheni noma kumhana kwamina ngangaxhumani nomndeni wami
How will they bring a complaint if I myself didn't know where my phone is at that time? Uthoma bhena nomkhana kwenzana?
ifoni yami yayikubo
Okay.
ngizotshela abantu nomuntu ofonela ifoni yami
And my banner was not, my phone was not with me, it was my banner, it was with my banner and Mohane. So how would they have come to complain?
okunye lapha phambi kosenkantolo ekumqoka la fela ukuvezela ngisephukenge nge-19 uGininda ukhona
Maka. On the 19th, I'm at Pukeng and Gininda is also around,
ifoni yami ekhona ephukenge
and my phone is also at Pukeng.
imukela ama-SMS
It received SMSs
mina ngifasiwe izandla
and I'm handcuffed.
uGininda engavuma iphoyisa ekhulu ukuthi ngibe nefoni ngiyiphethe kwayithini ifoni
You think Gininda would have allowed that I have my phone in my pocket?
ingakho nje kumile phambi kodwa ngicela ungitshele ukuthi ifoni yami mina yayenzwani lapha yayihlele khona
That is why I am still requesting before the court that I be told where was my phone and what was it used to do.
lapha ekhoti ngicelile ngoba naka amathawa ase-allowed amathawa la-Kingfood yaseverele ngayitshela ukuthi ngicela ungibonise ukuphuma kwami nokungena kwami kwaseverele awuzange ungikhombise lapha ekhona ukuze ngizovumelana nala mathawa
And now, looking at these towers that you had mentioned, the Queenswood towers in Verulam, I had initially requested that you show when I was in Verulam and also out of Verulam, so that I can be able to confirm or answer to these calls that you have just placed on record.
Yes, we have started by doing that. We've referred to Exhibit EE in brackets 1, 2, and 3. The proceedings at Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 27th of October 2020, 27 November 2020, and 5th of March 2021.